What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. I wanted to go ahead and try out these brushes that I had gotten from Walmart. They're by Autodrive, and I ended up paying around $9 and change for them. Not too bad. As you can see here, this it does have like a grip. It's a little bit, it's kind of soft, made out of plastic. The only thing that concerns me when it comes to these brushes as far as the longevity is the cap at the end or the head of the brush. That right there, because in some brushes they end up coming off. In this case they didn't come off when I used them, but only time will tell. But I'm gonna go ahead and use these brushes from now on, and I'll let you guys know how they end up handling on later, as time goes by. But as for the brushes, as you could see earlier, they actually do bend, so I'm really happy about that. I didn't know that until I brought them home, and yeah, I was really happy. It's always good when these brushes bend. They're made out of a synthetic wool. There's really not too much literature on this. There's really not too much literature on this product, but for what I used them for on the wheels and a couple of other places, it did a pretty good job. The brush, the red brush, was a little bit thicker, is a little thicker than the black and white one. So the black and white one actually fits right underneath my my brakes, and with the white one I'm able to get behind the brake caliper, so that's cool. I thought I was gonna have to actually I didn't know if it was going to be too thick or not, and in this case it wasn't. So it did an excellent job. I like the way that they ended up working out. Like I said, the only thing that I was kind of worried about is the cap, because I have had an experience where the cap did come off, not on a wool brush, but a the regular brushes, and I ended up damaging a rim. That wasn't cool, but I mean, it happened, and that's kind of around the time when I first started using brushes and didn't really know the difference between brushes. So that's the thing to look out for. And if the cap does come off, I don't know. I've never tried gluing it or anything. I ended up just throwing the brush away because I wouldn't want that to happen to me again. So rinsing off the wheel, it like I said, did an excellent job. I'm glad that I was able to kind of like clean the caliper too as well right there. So it just makes things look a lot better. With these smaller brushes, it's more of definitely is a detail. I mean, you can really get into kind of like the details and the nooks and crannies, especially right here with the Ruel. And being able to get into those nooks and crannies really did help. And the fact that it bends also helps too. In this area, I usually use a Will Woolly by Chemical Guys, and then I have to end up using my brush as well to kind of get into those nooks and crannies. But not in this case. I don't think I would have to use a brush anymore. I think I can actually just use this on its own. I did miss a little bit of the area, but I couldn't see that because I was camera blocking stuff. It's a little bit more difficult, but I try to get it with the brush. But I was definitely able to get in there a little bit more. Here's just, I mean, this is just, I'm just showing different places where you could use it. As far as here on my truck, there's this little area, and yes, I could get in there with my mitt, and kind of clean it like this, but it was a lot easier to use it this way. So I'll probably be using it this way more often, and it's just the little subtle things, like in this area too, on the grill. It was really easier. It was easy to get in there, and really easy to clean those areas. So I was really happy with this product. I wasn't expecting too much of this product, but it actually did a really good job. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and use these from now on, see how it works out on the longevity of it, and I'll make another video after that. All right, guys, if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button. If you appreciate this type of content, feel free to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.